Welcome back to my channel. In this video I will teach you how to fix Discord message failed to load. So if your messages are not loading on the Discord, just watch this video till the end, and if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So in this video I will give you two steps you have to follow. First of all, you have to open your Play Store and then go to your search bar, and here you have to search for the Discord. Once you will search for it, here you will see update button. Simply click on the update button and try to open your Discord messages. If it's still not load after doing this, simply go back and you have to tap a while on the Discord application, then go to the info. Now you are in the settings of the Discord. Here you will see storage and the cache. Click right here, and here you will see two options, clear storage and the clear cache. Simply click on the clear cache and try to fix this problem. If it's still not loading, maybe you have internet issue. Just check your data connection or internet connection. So these are the two steps. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment. I will try to help you. Thank you.